if you look at Deutsche Bank, the rumors are swirling around the chief executive that they're looking for a replacement, that he has to go. At what point does it become untenable? Do they just need to change the leadership so that investors kind of refocus on the fundamentals of the bank?
I think investors need to decide first which type of bank do they want, because so far what I can see, it's clearly split views. So I think there is a position of John Cran that wants to significantly reduce the size of the investment banking, particularly in the U.S. And then you have probably the view of a chairman, backed by some of the other shareholders, that want to keep the presence there.
Do you have Deutsche shares?
We don't own Deutsche shares. We do not.
What would it take for you to buy them?
So for me, it would take. I do not believe that Deutsche Bank can compete in investment banking in the United States. I think Deutsche Bank needs to implement like a BNP strategy in the U.S. Means Deutsche Bank is strong on cash management, global cash management, and forex, and that's what they should focus on. And they should retreat from investment banking, equity, M&A in the U.S. because you can't compete with the Goldman Sachs or J.P. Morgan. J.P. Morgan makes more net profit, makes twice the net profit per year of Deutsche Bank market capitalization today. So the fact that you even think that you can compete, it's clearly reckless. And after 20 years of losing money and making no money in investment banking, I can't believe that the board still wants to pursue. So what I think the only way for me will convince me is if they significantly shrink that cost base and investment bank. And they basically refocus on the core business, which has nothing to do with U.S. investment banking. It's not called Goldman Sachs, it's called Deutsche Bank.
So what's your favorite stock right now? Do you own J.P. Morgan? I mean, we saw Jamie Dimon yesterday saying that, they could grow in almost every activity. Yeah,
so J.P. Morgan has always been one of our largest holdings for 10 years. When it was at $40, our target price was around $100. We still own it, but it's not our largest position. Today, our largest position in Europe are Banco Santander, because they had a fantastic deal with Banco Popular. Basically, they were given a bank for free by the European authority. And secondly, it's Banca Intesa in Italy, because we think that it's the company in Europe which has 65% of the revenue coming from fee income. No banks in the world actually has that number, not even Credit Suisse and UBS, and it trades at a very, very low multiple. So it's the highest quality of earnings that you can find in global banks today.